Damn, I wish I had like a wide angles lens. God, be so perfect right now. But what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got an unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing something that deals with one of these, and one of these. My knives. We're gonna be sharpening them today, and that's what's in this. Because my knives are getting dull, especially the older ones, and this one is like dull all the way. It's not even sharp anymore. I can hear that? Not even a cut on my finger. This one is somewhat dull, but the fact that I can do this is, you know, saying something. I can't do it. This one is, I just got this one. This one is way too sharp for me to even do. But I have a habit of breaking all the tips to my knives. Every single one I have, I've broken the tip off. And this one is kind of bad too, because I kind of like bent it even right here, so it's not really straight, but I'm not really worried about that. I gotta clean them off too. They're really, really dirty before we sharpen them. Knife Planet. So far, this is obviously my favorite knife. I just like the way it looks. Too bad I broke it and it made me upset. But I'm over it now. Hope y'all are doing good today. Hope y'all are staying safe with the coronavirus and everything going around. Hope y'all are washing your hands. You know, keep your hands away from your face. You know, staying away from people. You know, limiting things that you touch. Limiting things, people that you see. You know, as you see in the news. Common things that you're supposed to do. With anything regarding germs, you know, viruses. And if you don't want to be near someone who has the flu, alright, you don't want to be near someone who has the coronavirus. So for me, I'm just chilling inside my house, you know, bored, making videos. The best time to make videos. I mean, there's literally nothing going on in the world. Everything has been halted. Everything's kind of like stopped. So it's just like, why not go ahead and make some videos. So I got a bunch of videos that I have for you guys. I'm just sitting on them. So here we are. We have our nice little box. I don't really know anything about knife sharpening. Yeah, we have 3,000. This is the one that we got, the 3,000 to 8,000 stone. All right, we got our box here. We open it up inside. We got this little gadget right here. I don't actually know what this is. I don't actually know what this is used for. These guys, I don't actually know what this is for. So we're just gonna do that. And then we got the whole brick itself, the whole sharpening. Any instructions? No instructions. I mean, pretty simple. You would think. We could actually use this as a stand, low key. Low key, use this as a stand right here. See if I can get this thing open. I'm getting better and better at these unboxing things. Ooh, I do not like that noise. Sorry for anybody who liked that noise, but ooh. Alright. We got our knife. We got our water stone here. That's what it is. I looked it up. Because, you know, I didn't know what I'm doing. First time ever sharpening a knife using one of these watering stones, so I'm not afraid to say I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And so what we're doing is we're just gonna add a little bit of water on here. This thing is like soaking up water. Is that what that does? It's a water stone. It soaks up the water. I never heard of a water stone before. And I'm getting like everything wet. Okay. So, finally got the stone to stop soaking up water. This still blows my mind to see a stone soaking up water. I've never seen a stone literally soak up water. It doesn't go anywhere. It's in here. It's in here. That shit's crazy. So yeah, all you need is, I already have some water on it. Put a little bit more. Boop. We're gonna use our first knife here. I got y'all. Use our first knife here. Back this up a little bit so y'all can see. And just gonna kind of just like this. This one doesn't need much sharpening. We're only gonna sharpen it a little bit. This one doesn't need much sharpening at all. So we don't really sharpen it. And yeah, just gonna this is cool. This is pretty cool. I'm digging it. And then I'm just gonna wipe it off. I think it's still sharp, boy. Whew. Alright, now we're gonna see if we're actually doing a good job, because you can never tell with a sharper knife. With a dull knife, definitely tell. So put some more water on here because all the water has fucking gone away. I think this is actually pretty cool. Sharpening your own knives, kind of like, feels like I'm a blacksmith. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm actually making a knife, but I'm just sharpening on. Done. But as we go on to do this, the more and more we do it, you know, the better and better we get. First time doing this, so it's gonna be hard getting the other ends because they're a lot pointier. And if I'm doing this wrong, fucking let me know. Alright? I don't want to look stupid. Oh, fuck. Oh. Voice. So this what happened yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but a few days ago. I had cut myself with this knife because I was cutting something, and it wasn't even like a. This knife was so sharp that I was cutting it this way, and I went like I didn't go like I went like boop, went down. So I said boom, and it went at least, I want to say, how like a centimeter, just about a centimeter, almost like half a centimeter deep, and it just kept bleeding and bleeding. But it's good now. We're good. No stitches needed. All right, I think we're good on this knife. This one, on the other hand, is dull as you can be, man. This thing is super dull. I don't even know how I'm gonna even sharpen this one. Such a weird angle. I think I'm gonna have to do it on the side. Okay. Oh yeah, it's working. Slowly but surely, we are getting the sharp back. We are slowly but surely getting our sharpness back. Now, we have here a piece of your finest printing paper. Well, it's white and as sleek as you can get. And now, we're gonna be going through and seeing if we did the job. Hurry up, because battery's getting ready to die. So, I'm gonna bring you guys back to right here. Alright? Test number 1. I already know this is gonna pass because this. Look at that. See that? Okay, that was a fail. But yeah, look at that. Didn't need to use any force. Alright? Check this out. See? This one isn't as sharp. But our sharpening skills did the trick. And this one, I don't even know. This one. I don't even know about this one. Let's see. We got a split. But that's it. Look. Yeah. So guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope y'all did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one. It was dope. Nice sharpening video. Yeah.